I want to put them on my fingers. Dipping it in chocolate. Wow! Incredibly yummy! I'm thrilled. Lily, your turn. Really? I'm so worried that these Cheetos are super spicy! There's literally fire in the package! Oh no! How are you going to eat it? Oh, that's so bad! Super spicy! Ooh, an idea! I know what I'm gonna do. Putting Cheetos on a skewer. It'll be so much easier dipping it in chocolate. And not getting my hands dirty. I hope chocolate will help me. Okay. That's bearable. We must eat everything. I'm almost done. Oh,